Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, what I'm trying to do is to extract my information off of the HP broken laptop. So this HP laptop here is not powering on. We know that it has a liquid damage. There was a water spill on the keyboard, and eventually the computer died and I can't turn it on. So what I'm trying to do here is to recover my information by removing the hard drive and try to plug it into a different computer to extract the data. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do that. So the first thing you would like to do is to identify the model of your computer. So if you take a closer look here, it should say like HP Envy X360, and that would be the model number, which is the CP0053CL. You might not have the exact same model as I do, but as long as you have a similar HP X360, then you can follow along the video to extract the hard drive or the data. Alright, the first thing I like to do is to get yourself a metal prying tool or plastic prying tool, anything that you try to pry open the rubber. So if you can see that there is a rubber here, and this is somewhat what we call the rubber stopper to prevent the computer from sliding away, and right underneath that rubber is actually a hidden screw. So you can see all the screws are hidden underneath that rubber. So once you peel that thing off, then you can get to the screw. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel this thing off as well. So it's actually top and bottom, the two rubber stopper, peeled it off, and you can see all the screws. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. This is the PH1, that is the screw size Phillips head. Remove the screws. Once you have removed the screws, do not forget there's one tiny little screw here, and this tiny screw here runs on a torque 4. So you need to get yourself a T4 screwdriver. There's one screw right in the middle, which is the torque 4. Okay, once you have removed that, the next step is to try to pry it open. So whatever gap that you can feel like you can get into. So I was able to get to the bottom part, and you just pry the entire back cover up. So pry it open, and here you can see your entire computer. Now the funny thing is that you will ask me, where is my hard drive? I can't see it. There's one hard drive here. Yes, this is the additional hard drive slot. Some of the computer might have come with the secondary drive. If it's a 2.5 inch hard drive, then you can recover the data off of there if you have anything, but most of the hard drive is hidden underneath this plastic cover. Alright, so this cover here doesn't have any screw or anything to it, mostly just a tape on. So what you want to do is to remove this tape and gently lift it up. Okay, so this is just aluminum plastic cover that kind of close and enclose the hard drive and the RAM. So this is the hard drive. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw here. Okay, slide the hard drive to your 45-degree angle, slide it to your left, and this is the hard drive that we're trying to recover the data from. This is the M.2 SSD drive. Alright, so the next step, what I like to do is to introduce you the USB adapter. So this is the USB M.2 SSD adapter. What it does is it allows me to extract the data off of the hard drive. You can just slide it in, close it, and put that screw back in here while holding it. Okay, so this adapter here acts like a flash drive, like a USB thumb drive. Okay, So what it does is that you can just plug it into any of your computer, Windows or Mac. Just plug it in as a USB. It's just like a flash drive. Then that way you can access the information in this chipset. Okay, so if you have your data like your pictures, videos, documents, anything like that you try to recover, getting yourself the USB adapter and remove the hard drive, slide it in, you can recover the data. If you're not sure where to buy the things from, meaning that if you're not sure where to get the USB adapter from, please check my link in the description below. I'll link it down to Amazon or maybe eBay where you can buy directly from, so that you won't make a mistake buying the right parts. Okay, and this is it. So if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me and let me know if you need any additional help in this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I do make a lot of computer repair tutorials. Alright, and again, I wish you all the best. Good luck with recovering the data off of the broken HP laptop. Until next time, bye now.